So you find one, the other one, and the third one as well. Nice and powerful. Let's turn it down a little bit. Fire. Nice. Nice and fully functional. Finally. Jesus Christ, man. Took a while. Now let's try and adjust the thing to see if it's gonna go slow. It turned out to be an electronic dice after all. It was a fun project, nearly 1 hour of time to do it because there was no label, no nothing, so it took some time to figure it out which resistor is which value and so on. And I find out that this system is not for lithium ion. As you can see here, is doing something but is not doing all the way. This one is 9 volt dedicated system, is an electronic dice but is meant to be working on a 9 volt system, so minus here and plus. On the minus is working quite okay. You can stop it, you see this is 4, 3, 6, whatever, 7. Yeah, nonetheless it was a fun project to do, 1 hour of time, but in the meanwhile stay safe, save money, and see you on the next one. Alright then, electronic dice man, see ya. Hoo-hoo.